Welcome back, great to see you, and today's video is about how do you film yourself when you don't have a gimbal or a motorized dolly. All you've got is a tripod, a light, and your ingenuity. Let's go. I promise I didn't cheat. I only used that tripod, that light, and anything that was in the kitchen. And you'll probably have a few questions thinking, how did you do that then? I will show you. But before I do, I really want to just discuss why I think it's difficult to film yourself and what you really need to kind of be thinking about. The first thing is movement. And that is the most difficult part, and we will cover that. We absolutely will. The second thing is framing, and that is difficult, but it's more easy to overcome. And the third thing is variation of shot and focal length when you're kind of restricted to not holding the camera as much. Let's look at variation first. Varying focal lengths really helps to make things really interesting. Varying where you place the camera and what you place as foreground or framing or something like that. So if you shoot through something like I shot through the handle of the kettle, shots high, low, eye level, wherever, plus changing up the focal lengths, go from 15mm all the way through to 45mm and anywhere in between, then you're going to get much more interest than just shooting everything at 15mm. The next thing is framing, and really this is trial and error. It's a bit more difficult because you can't see what's on the screen until you actually get there, and sometimes you're setting up a shot, you're not going to be able to see the screen, you're going to record it, you're going to look back and go, not quite as right. Just keep going, try different things, and you'll feel and you'll just get an inkling as to whether that's going to work or not the more you practice. So it's more difficult because it just takes practice. The most difficult part is adding movement. And how do you do that? Now there's two things. You do need to add camera movement, but you can also make sure that your movement in the clip itself is enough to be interesting. So if you have a static shot, but everything inside is moving, like you're picking up a mug and the mug is the main part of that shot, it doesn't make it boring. So that's one part of it, but adding movement to the camera without anything motorized is difficult. And here's what I did in the kitchen. So I placed the tripod on the stool and then turned it as I was walking. So giving that illusion that there is a camera person holding it and turning the camera. The other thing that I used as fake movement was to put the tripod onto a kitchen towel and then pull it along the table. So you can use your camera strap, any kind of cloth, just something that's going to do it fairly smoothly. Hey presto, you've got some movement in your shot. Because the other shots have movement inside them, they're shorter, snappier, it's not quite so noticeable that there isn't somebody there behind the camera controlling it. So I challenge you, go and try it. Tag me in, let me know what you've done. A little bit of a challenge with a coffee making or something like that. Anything, just give it a whirl and see what you can come up with, because you'd be surprised at what you can create with just yourself. If you've enjoyed the video, please subscribe, please hit the like button, and I will see you in the next video. Keep learning.